One of the most important things with regards to jury selection is know how the judge conducts jury selection. And the reason is every judge is unique in selecting a jury. Judges sometimes require defense attorneys to submit their questions in writing. Others will require only general questions to be followed up later with specific questions. Some judges like to conduct their own voir dire, submit the questions to the judge. And in those, that's just one small example in jury selection where if you know how a judge is going to proceed with the case, you are one step ahead. Because I guarantee you, the prosecutor who's assigned to the courtroom is going to know how the judge proceeds with jury selection and the case. And if you have the ability of having some type of inside knowledge to how the judge conducts their courtroom, and you conform with that, well, you're already one step ahead of the game. I'm going to tell you a little secret here. And the secret is, generally speaking, in most technical cases, such as DUI, you want smart jurors. That means for you that you want jurors that come in, listen to the evidence, analyze the evidence, and especially when you have scientific evidence, listen to the evidence and apply the law to the evidence they heard. And that's all that you can ask for. And jurors are very smart. And generally speaking, you want the smartest of the jurors to sit as your jury, especially where you're presenting evidence. But with regards to jury selection, you definitely have to, there's something called, or what I apply to each case is theme and theory. In every DUI case, you have a theme, and in every DUI case, you have a theory. Let's start with theory. Theory is your idea or your belief of what happened in this case or what went wrong on the state side. The theme is something to hook the jury to. When you're starting in jury selection, you want to apply your theory of the case and your theme. That's one aspect of jury selection. The other aspect of jury selection is deselection. You want to make sure that you get off jurors that are already predisposed to the case. For example, you might not want a juror on your DUI case who is active in Mothers Against Drunk Driving, because people that are predisposed to certain beliefs are not good jurors. Not all people make good jurors in every case.